Okay, so welcome to the GDG on campus, Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology, Pune. And today we are launching the Cyberathon 2026 Open Innovation Hackathon. So timeline is specifically from 25 December to 16 Jan, but it quite got some twist into the timelines. About this event, there is no such problem statement for this. You guys are open to submit your problem statement. It's independent and it's contain the open innovation. You can take any idea from any source, and just you have to make sure that you contain at least one of these technologies. I would suggest for beginners, if you guys can only manage to embed a Firebase into project, it would be sufficient. For valid submission, you should upload this project deck presentation, share deployed MVP link. You can deploy it on Vercel or Netlify. You should submit the YouTube video up to the 3 minutes explaining your solution. Kindly provide the public GitHub repository link. Throughout our past workshop session, I already taught you guys to how you can create the public GitHub repository, list the Google technologies used, mention the Google AI tools integrated. So submission deadline. So there will be online rounds till the 17th Jan. So this deadline is after the 17th Jan. While till the 17th Jan, you have to submit the online solutions. This is just an event page. You have to press on RSVP, and once you fill your details and click the RSVP button, you guys have to click the join event. As soon as you click the joint event, you would see the Hack to Skill platform page. And what you need to do is there should be the button for register now. I already registered. However, if you got an button for register now, just fill the details and confirm the required things it will ask. So while got to the team dashboard, you will see such interface coming up ahead. Don't get confused. I will tell you one by one what is Hack to Skill and how to operate. So first is team management. You can create a team. So if I create a team, just accept the EULA, and if I create the team called as Precisers and uploaded the normal photo. So here my team is created. You can also add the description to the team. However, you guys are beginners, so I will tell you how you can add the teammates. So invite member, copy the invite link from here and send to people which you want to get into the team. So send this link to the people who you want to be the teammate. Then you can also look for the teams, explore the public profile and all. In this way you can create a team. So I will add the team members later. Then on the submission page you will see the multiple details. First of all, let's go to the challenges page. Challenges page will show the open innovation module. So here eligibility is proper submissions are valid. So you guys have to submit every detail properly. Deployed links should be expected, like deployed links are expected into this hackathon. Any Google Tech is mandatory. Anyone, you can choose anyone from Firebase, Gemini, GCP. If you are new, recommended is a Firebase. It's very easy
Disconnected.
to implement. Then participant can select a real world problem from their campus or community. You can take the normal problem statement and make the solution so unique that it will stand out. And these are the challenges you can tackle out. Then come over to the submissions. On a submission page you would see the multiple section to submit. So challenges, click the open innovation, drop your PPT here. So if I got the PPT for this, then I will upload this. I should upload the deployed MVP link. So you can go to the vercel.com, click any link you want. So for the example, I will take these links, then share the video up to 3 minutes. So go to your youtube.com, and for example I will take the link for one of my previous projects. You can also take your previous projects. There is no
Presenting
permission
Kerexia
for
real time.
submitting. Then post your GitHub repository, go to your GitHub repository, click on repositories, and make sure you should have proper public repository. Find the appropriate public repository you want to share, then paste here. List of Google technologies. Here I use the Gemini 2.5 model, Pro and Flash models. Say Pro model. List of mention the Google AI tools integrated, that is only Gemini. Proper description of the solution, you can paste some text content from the PPT, or you can paste the description from the GitHub repo if you manage to have a certain idea about it. It's a one liner, so I would reduce. So if I press the submit, you will see the submission submitted successfully. Now when you go to your email and refresh it once, you would see the Cyberathon submission successful. And once you get this email, uh, it means that your submission is accepted by the Hectoskill portal, and you can also change the submission later on. Like I put the wrong deployed link, so I can Vercel.app. Yeah, it's working. So here is my deployed link, and if I want to submit that to the portal, then I can easily change my submission. And after every change you must click the submit button, and then you would get another email called as submission updated for Cyberathon. In this way you can submit the ideas and challenges for the hackathon. Currently for the timeline, 5th December to 8th Jan, you would have the registration, team formation and project submission opened. After the team formation and after the deadline of 8th January, we will select the top 10 teams, and their pitching round will occur according to our allotment, or we will arrange a certain venue for it, while we will announce the top 3 finalists till the end of second week of Jan. So stay tuned for the hackathon and Falcons GDC community. You can follow the Hack2Skill platform for more such interesting hackathons. This is just our small hackathon, but Hack2Skill conducts hackathons at very large scale. You can see the home page of the Hack2Skill platform, and you can usually see there are many good hackathons which are coming up ahead. AI for Bharat is one of the most popular growing on. Like you can see the price pool, it's 40 lakh, and so you explore this, you can participate into those hackathons, and There are multiple things going on over the Hack to Skill platform where you can uh, get various rewards. Like from my past year, I already gained the Jane AI Academy certification from the Google itself, and there are many hackathons conducted. One of it was Bharatiya Antariksh Hackathon. Major hackathons are conducted over this Hack to Skill platform. So consider to follow this platform, and also make sure you join the group over the GDG community platform. It will help you guys to attend the certain events and keep the track of upcoming events and past events, where you can get to know about the event, and after the event you missed any event, we provided the media and YouTube video regarding the event and details what we discuss into the event, like highlights and all. So here is the team which make the event possible. Here are our partners, and we kept uploading the certain media from our events. So consider following our page. Thank you.